At Maths is a Must, Day 12. This is coordinate geometry question. Diagram 14 shows trapezium ABCD. The line BC is parallel to the line AD. So this line BC is parallel to the line AD. So first of all, you must understand what is the characteristic of the parallel lines. So now, since BC is parallel to the line CD, so the gradient of the BC equals to the gradient of the line CD. Next, the line CD is perpendicular to both line BC and AD. CD, this line, is perpendicular to the line BC and AD. So what do you understand about the perpendicular lines? Two straight lines are perpendicular to each other if and only if the gradient of the first line times the gradient of the second line, the result is -1. In this case, we have line CD. CD is perpendicular to the line BC. So the gradient of the line CD times the gradient of the line BC, the result must be -1. Next, AD is perpendicular to the line DC. So the gradient of the line AD times the gradient of the line CD, the result is -1. It is given that the equation of the straight line CD is y equals -2x plus 31. So equation of CD is y equals -2x plus 31. And the equation of the straight line BC is y minus kx equal 6. The first question asks you to find the value of k. So where's k? K is here. Since BC and CD are perpendicular lines, so the gradient of the line BC times the gradient of the line CD, the result must be -1. So we can use the concept of perpendicular lines to find the value of k, because after you modify equation of BC, you make y as your subject, become kx plus 6. So we can see right now k is actually the gradient of the line BC. And from the equation of the line CD, okay, you can see the gradient of the line CD is -2. Since the lines BC and line CD are perpendicular lines, right? Multiplication of both gradient of BC times gradient of CD, the result must be -1. So the gradient of BC times gradient of CD, the result is -1. Gradient of BC is k, gradient of CD is -2. Then from there, -2k equals -1, k is 1/2. Okay, next, the coordinates of C.
Point C is actually intersection point between the line BC and the line CD. So how to find the point C? Just solve the equation of BC and equation of CD. Solve simultaneously. Equation of BC is y equals kx plus 6, where the value of k is half. We can write now equation of BC as y equals half x plus 6. Make it as your first equation. And equation of CD is given as y equals -2x plus 31. So solve simultaneously these two equations. Put the first equation in the second equation. Now your y is half x plus 6. Okay, first we group together yang ada punggung x. So dia punya kepala dia ini positive half, this one negative, bring to the left, become positive 2. So half plus positive 2 is 5/2. And then dia punya punggung dia x. Then you solve, you have 31 on the right and then bring 6 to the right, become -6. 31 minus 6 is 25. Then make x as your subject. So you have 25 times 250 divided by 5 become 10. After you get x, you can find y. How? Substitute. You can choose either you sub in the first equation or the second equation. Let's say you sub in the second equation. Okay, y equals -2x plus 31. Your x right now is 10. Put in. Then 31 minus 12 is 11. So the coordinates of the point C is 10, 11. Done.
C. Find the equation of the straight line AD. To find equation of AD, always write in the form of y equal mx plus c. Your first step, always find the value of the gradient, then only determine the y-intercept of the line. Based on the given information, right, given that BC is parallel to AD, meaning that the gradient of the line BC is equal to the gradient of the line AD. Gradient of BC is half, that's why the gradient of AD is also half. Then we can see that this line AD cut y-axis at 1. So the y-intercept of the line is 1. The equation of AD is y equals half x plus 1. Done.
The last part of the question asks you to find the coordinates of the point D. And you can see right now, D is actually intersection point between the straight line AD. So just now we find already equation of AD and the straight line CD. To find the point D, solve the equation of CD and equation of AD. So this is the equation of AD, and we have equation of CD. Solve these two equations. Solve simultaneously these two equations. Let's say you masukkan equation 1 dalam equation 2. So now your y is half x plus 1. So replace y dengan half x plus 1. Okay. And then you put all the x together. So dia punya kunjung sekarang x. Okay, ambil kepala dia. So negative 2 bring to the left become plus. Half plus 2 become 5 over 2. Okay, and then 31. This one positive. Bring to the right become minus 1. 31 minus 1 is 30. So to find x, 30 times 2, 60 divided by 5 become 12. So x is 12. And to find the y coordinate, put in the first or the second equation. Okay, let's say I put in the first equation, half x plus 1, so x right now is 12, become 7. So the coordinates of the point D is 12, 7. Done.